Hi everyone, my name is Jenny. I'm a wife and a mom to 3 girls. We recently moved from South Africa to Atlanta, and I wanted to share with you our family story with Neolife products and how that journey began. When my second daughter Isabel, who is now 17, was 1, she became really sick, and after numerous doctor's appointments and specialists, they couldn't really help us. So I started to research on how I build her immune system up and what should I do as a desperate mom to try and improve her health. So what I did was look into a few key whole food ingredients, and that's when I discovered protein is an essential component to every cell in the body for the body to be truly healthy. And I looked into various protein shakes and found the Neolife Vanilla Protein Shake, which is non-GMO, gluten-free, no artificial flavorants or colorants. It tastes delicious and filled with vitamins and minerals. And I put Isabel on this shake. We substituted a meal, sometimes 2 in her day, with the protein shake. And within a matter of a couple of weeks, we noticed a remarkable improvement in her health. And this is when I realized there's definitely a gap in our diet with what we are eating. Even no matter how healthy your diet is, there's a gap in most people's diets of vitamins and minerals, and that's where Neolife came in. Neolife's products are based in nature and backed by science, and they really have changed our lives. And we slowly incorporated various vitamins from the product range into our family's daily use, and I'll be speaking more on those in my next YouTube. But click on my link below, and that will lead you to shopping online and looking into any other product that Neolife does. Gives you ingredients and further details, and the products will get delivered straight to your door. Okay, bye!